I'm Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making strawberry shortcake cupcakes, and oh my goodness, you have to try these. So I first made strawberry shortcake vegan for my cookbook Plantiful. That recipe's in there, but I kind of tweaked some things and adapted it and made these beautiful little cupcakes, and they are so cute. They have this delicious whipped light frosting on top, and they're filled with strawberries, and the cupcake itself is like just that perfect strawberry shortcake cakiness. It's so good. So as always, the forward recipe is on my blog. There's a link in the description box down below for that. All the ingredients are written out in the description box too, as well as anything I think you might need for this recipe and links for my cookbook. Sign up for my newsletter, my podcast. Check the description box out. It does everything that you need to know. And yeah, I hope you try these cupcakes out. They were enjoyed by my non-vegan family. They absolutely love them. My dad love them so much. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the videos, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And let's get into the recipe. Let's start off by making our cupcakes. So I have some vegan butter that I let soften and kind of cut up into little pieces, and organic sugar. Make sure you use organic if you want it to definitely be 100% vegan, because sometimes sugar can be processed with bone char. Using a hand mixer, I'm just going to beat this for about a minute until everything is light and fluffy. And then we're going to add in some non-dairy milk. I'm using the one from Ripple, some vegan sour cream. I'm using Tofutti, a vegan egg replacer. This is from Bob's Red Mill, and vanilla extract. Give that another mix just until everything is well incorporated. Then we have baking soda and baking powder, and I'm going to sift this. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I just like to make sure all the powders going in are very fine. And then we're going to add in all-purpose flour, and we're just going to slowly sift that into our wet ingredients. And then we're going to go back in with our hand mixer, and you're going to beat this on a medium to medium-low speed until it is combined. This is a very thick batter. It's not like a traditional cake batter, okay? It looks like this. This is what we're going for. Then I'll take my spatula and just lightly combine like any flour that was up on the sides, and just make sure the batter is looking cohesive. I don't want to overwork it with that hand mixer, so it's better to do this part by hand. Then I have my muffin tin, and I've lined it with some little liners, and we're just going to scoop in our batter. I like to add like a scoop into each well, and then I'll go back in and add another scoop, so that way I can ensure everything is good. Bake at 350 for 15 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean like this. Set them to cool for about an hour on a wire rack. And while they cool, we're going to work on some other elements, but don't they look so pretty? So we're going to take our strawberries, and we are going to cut them up into nice little tiny pieces. I used 12 strawberries, basically I think 1 strawberry per cupcake. And we're going to pop them into a bowl, and then we're going to pour some sugar on there, about 2 tablespoons. This is just going to make them really sweet, but it'll also break the strawberries down, and we'll have a nice juice form. You'll see it in a little bit. So I set that to the side. And now we're going to make our frosting. So we're adding in vegan butter and vegan cream cheese, and we're going to mix those together again for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're super light and fluffy. Then we're adding in vanilla extract again, and we're going to gradually add in our powdered sugar. And we're going to do this in stages, so that way it doesn't become like a huge mess in the stand mixer. And I did not try using a hand mixer for this, so I don't know how it will work. It should be okay, but you wanted this to be like a good strong mixer that you're using. Then we're adding in 2 tablespoons of a vegan heavy whipping cream. I'm using the one from Silk. Let that beat for about 3 to 5 minutes until it looks like how that frosting looked. Now our cupcakes are nice and cooled, and we are going to cut out like the little middle part, fill in with our strawberries, and see, that's why I said save the juice, because you can like pour it in there and then top it with that bit of the cupcake again. I put my frosting in a piping bag with a Wilton to a tip, and I'm just going to pipe my frosting right on there. It looks so pretty, just like a chubby little swirl. I love it. And then I'm going to stick a piece of a sliced strawberry in there, and that is it. These are all done. They're absolutely stunning, and you can find out everything you want to know about like prepping them ahead of time and stuff like that on the blog. In terms of making them gluten-free, I don't know. You could try gluten-free all-purpose flour. Look at that inside. It is so beautiful. These were so good. You're absolutely going to love them. So yeah, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, again, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.